This Brileine RJ45 Crimp toolkit combines cutting, stripping, and crimping in one solid hand tool, making it ideal for building and repairing Ethernet and phone cables at home or on the job. The pass-through design for Cat5, Cat5e, and Cat6 connectors helps ensure reliable terminations because you can visually confirm wire order before the crimp is made. Its sturdy construction and comfortable grips give good leverage, so even repeated crimping on thicker cable feels controlled rather than tiring. The included cable tester quickly checks continuity and pin mapping on Ethernet and telephone lines, which greatly reduces guesswork when troubleshooting bad runs. You also get a generous set of Cat6 pass-through connectors, protective boots, a compact cable stripper, and spare blades, so the kit is ready for many projects right out of the box. Clear instructions and responsive support make this kit approachable for beginners while still being capable enough for more experienced network installers.